Hi students, today's topic is correlation. In correlation, Karl Pearson's coefficient of correlation is very popular and it can be solved by two ways, by actual mean and by assumed mean. Correlation lies between plus minus 1. We are denoting correlation as R, which lies between plus minus 1. Means it should not be above plus 1 or below minus 1. For Karl Pearson's method, the formula is, just write down the formula, R equals to summation dx dy minus summation dx into summation dy over n oblique summation dx square minus summation dx the whole square over n the whole under root and summation dy the square minus summation dy the whole square oblique and the whole under root. Let's do it. You must have copy and pen. Write down the lecture as well so that you will be perfect after finishing this. I'm taking the example, like we are taking one example. For example, when the values of x and y are given, write down, this is example where values of x and y are given, and these are, for example, 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50. Simultaneously for y it will be 5, 15, 25, 35 and 45. For this we have to find summation dx square. See over here, we have to find summation dx dy, summation dx, summation dy, n or the number of observations, summation dx square, summation dx the whole square oblique and the whole under root, summation dy the square, summation dy the whole square oblique and the whole under root. So we have to find all these. Let's do it. As the question is given x and y, firstly get dx, and for dx it will be x minus a. Let's assume the value of a. You can take any value as a. For example, I am taking the central value, that is 30. Then that will be 10 minus 30, it will be minus 20, minus 10, 0, 10 and 20. Whereas take the value of dy equals to y minus a. This is the value of y and we are taking assumed a for y. Let's take I'm taking 50. It will be 5 minus 15 minus 10, 0, 25 minus 15 it will be 10, 25, it's a 20, 35 minus 15 it is 20, 45 minus 15 it is 30. Let's do with the topic. Let's make the sum total dx equals to and summation dy equals to. It is 2 plus on 30 for positive and 30 for negative, and the value becomes 0. Whereas in dy minus 10, 3 plus 2 5, 60 minus 10 it is 50. So we got the value summation dy equals to 50 and summation dx equals to 0. Let's do dx square, dy the square, and do it with dx dy. For this we have to multiply. Dx square equals to 20 multiplied by 20, it is 400, minus minus plus, it will be 400, 100, 0, again 100 and 400. Let's make the sum total. Summation dx square equals to That was 1000. We got the value 1000. And for dy, it will be dy the square 10 times the 100, 0, 100, 2 2s of 14, sorry 400, 20 into 20, 400 and 900. Let's make the total of this as well. Summation dy the square equals to 1500. I got the value 1500, and for dx dy it will be multiplied dx with a dy. 20 into 10, it is 200, minus minus plus, again 0, then again 10 into 0, 0, 20 into 10, 200, 30 into 20, 600. Let's make the sum total of this as well. Summation dx dy equals to 1000. So we got the values. Now we have to work out with the question. Let's write down the formula. As you people have already done this, let's do it with the formula. R equals to, write down the formula again. R equals to summation dx dy minus summation dx into summation dy oblique n oblique summation dx square minus summation dx the whole square oblique n and the whole under root summation dy the square minus summation dy the whole square oblique n the whole under root. Now put the values in this. Summation dx dy, we got the value of summation dx dy as 1000 minus summation dx is 0 and multiplied summation dy is 50 oblique n or the number of observations. Let's see the number of observations. 1 2 3 4 5, it is 5. Now again summation dx square is 1000 minus summation dx is 0, the whole 0's whole square oblique n the whole under root. Simultaneously summation dy the square is 1500 minus summation dy is, the value of summation dy is 50. Let's make the 50 the square of 50 and oblique n or number of observations, these are 5. I'm writing over here 5 and 5. Let's solve. It becomes 0, 0 into 50, 0 oblique 5, 0. Then we got 1000 as fixed. Again 1000 and its root and 1500 into, let's use the calculator. 50 into 50, I'm working on this as 50 into 50, it is 2500 divided by 5 and it we got 500. 15 minus 500, we got 1000. Again we got the value 1000 square. It becomes 1000 oblique, let's do the under root of 1000, as this is under root of 1000 is 31.6227. 31.6227, and again it will be multiplied by again 1000's under root is 31.6227. Let's finish this. 31.6227 multiplied by 31.6227, and we got the value 999.995. It is 1000 oblique 999 into 995 equals to, let's divide 1000 divided into 999.995 and we got exactly 1. So this is 1, or R equals to 1 means perfect positive correlation, and this is answer. Well, it's finished. Thanks a lot.